46 law enforcement officers were fatally shot last year in the line of duty. There might have been two more. Newly released video shows a shootout between two Pennsylvania troopers and a man now about to be sentenced for attempted murder. Here's Tony DeCopel.
This is the moment last November when 22-year-old Daniel Clary opened fire on state troopers Ryan Seipel and Seth Kelly. That's Corporal Kelly kneeling to shoot back, taking bullets to the leg and neck before leaping to find cover.
Can you step to the rear of your car, please?
A dramatic turn in what began with Clary pulled over for simple speeding.
Don't place your hands behind your back.
But when the troopers tried to arrest Clary on suspicion of driving while high, he resisted. Clary, shot with a taser, falls into a lane of traffic and writhes on the ground. In the struggle, Corporal Kelly's spare pistol somehow tumbles loose, secured by Seipel. For a few seconds, Corporal Kelly appears to be in control. But moments later, the troopers are punching and kicking, all but begging Clary to put his hands behind his back. Somehow he finds his feet again, grabs a pistol from his car, and opens fire before driving off.
Corporal Kelly, who applied his own tourniquet at the scene, was clinically dead at the hospital and spent 12 days in a coma. He is now recovering, though, and plans to return to work with Seipel. As for the driver, Clary, he was arrested at a hospital down the road, and Jeff, he now faces sentencing this month for attempted murder.
Watched that video twice now. It's unreal.
Unbelievable.
All right, Tony, thanks.